All right, Power Trick or Trade Sandro here. Going to be talking about that NFLX setup, Netflix plan, people. So let's get to it. Netflix set up to test 142 to 150. Many options could be used here. With this powerhouse, we will use weekly options to trade this beast. Now, I'm going to talk more about the options. We'll first talk about these ones that could be used, okay? I'm going to explain in this video a lot of options we could use. The December 16 130 calls could be used. Plus, we will explore more options. All right, people? Now listen, I'm making this video for YouTube and for all my followers, and for new people who may have never seen Power Trick or Trade. I talk about how to buy options, people. But no one does it like this. Nobody does this. We struck gold if you found me. So pay attention to this video, people. Pay attention. Study my stream. Subscribe. And we'll get to that. Let's go forward here. Now, Netflix at this point in time, okay, I'm going to be making special updates, okay? Netflix needs to break above 126.50 on some strong action volume. Strong action volume is 1 million on a 10-minute chart. So if the volume is less than that, then watch this base above. Now, here's the thing, people. Early entry signal would be 126.50 if we have some strong volume action, because Netflix could need more time, right? But the market is the market, and we have to listen to the signals, okay? Basically, what I'm seeing is we need to see the power if they want to take it right away. If not, if they want to give it more time, great. It'll make things better and easier. But you've got to listen to the market, right? And my visionary system is listening to the market, and we have to make adjustments quickly. This thing is a beast, okay, of a stock. Meaning you could use weekly options and trade. I'm going to explain many ways this stock could be traded, okay? Because I can only give you the idea where we're going, but it could be traded in many different ways. But when we do confirm, and I will be making updates on Netflix, these are the targets that I'm talking about. And this video, it will be the starting point of this movement. And you can see this is dated for December the 7th. This is based on December the 7th close. Why listen to me? I will tell you why. Pay attention to the master. Laugh out loud. I'm not joking. But anyways, I will be making special updates for Netflix, as I think this stock could be a great stock to trade for explosive possible gains. Again, I made some spelling mistakes when I quickly typed things out. But nonetheless, I'm explaining it through the words. All right, people. Let's take a look at some options here. All right, this is Power Trick or Trade. This is now, we'll talk about this Power Trick or Trade, Power Target Trades YouTube here. But let's go to the Yahoo Finance here. And we're going to go to the options. All right. And we're going to go to December 16 here, calls. Okay, we need a little bit. We want to give this option some time. But let me show you why I chose the 130 calls here. We are set up. And there's a lot of action happening here. You can see that even the 129 calls, people, there's a lot more interest, of course, in the 130s, but the 129 did very well. A lot of action in the 129, 130 calls. Okay. Now, how much could these options go up? Well, I tell you something. If this stock was to even attempt to go to even 135, these options would be 100, could be 200, 300% gainers. All right. Therefore, you'd have to flip over and trade other options. Okay. Now, weekly options work very well for Netflix. Okay. Now, let's go ahead here and let's take a look at something like, we'll go to the monthlies here, which is the next best bet. So, January 20th. Let's see what's happening here. January 20th, 130 calls. So you can see there's a lot of interest here. Look at this, people. 17,000, right? A lot of interest in these. Now, you could get these. Now, of course, now look at what does this mean now? Okay, there's people who may not understand, and again, if even you don't trade this, you could statistically look at this video and look at the options and see where they are, right? So we're going to go out to these 130 calls. And right now, they're trading at 560 to 540. There's a 20-cent spread, okay, which is not bad for this monster of a mover. Okay, but you could get it for probably in between that, right? Because you could probably get a, if you could probably buy within 10 cents of this, inside 10 cents of the spread, but it's an active trade. It's a little bit more work. But anyways, um, you can see there's a lot of action happening here. And so we can take a look, we can take a look at a lot of options, people. Well, what's going on for January 13th? Is there anything interesting? And this is what you should do. You should always check things out to pick your options, right? Not so much, right? Not so much interest happening, not so much trading. There's some trading, it's not bad, right? It's actually the January 13th. So you'll see these options could be traded at different times. I'll probably have to make a lot of updates for this. This stock can make a couple of 100% for you easily, 500%, 600% gains, depending how you trade it. I won't be able to give you all the ideas, but this is something I'm going to be paying attention and try to trade a lot. Hold it and roll out of stuff and everything. Like my FedEx trade, this can be a very super trader if the action comes in. So here's the December 16, and like I said, these are trading amazingly well. Look at the tight spread. Trade the weekly option. This is 1 week out. That means that this will expire next week. You know what? For Netflix, this son of a bitch can move $10 on a day, people. So don't think, you see me talk about, like, for example, GM. I use January calls and stuff like that because it's not I mean, lately it's been moving like a monster fast, right? But it's different because we're talking about a stock that moves, 2, 3, 4 points in total, which is a lot. But you want to get out of the money call options and close into the money to make the good bucks in it in GM. Let's go to my stream, people, quickly here. Why you want to follow me? Well, let's take a look at the statistical facts, people. Okay. Now we're gonna have to go to Power Trick or Trade on Twitter, but look at the SPY plan. Now, just pay attention here, people. Keep listening to this video. Because you're going to see one thing. I posted this plan for where are you here? Because this damn sometimes they give me a sec. Here it is, people. Let's click because this opens up better. I have a 4K monitor, and for some reason on a 4K monitor, when I use the stock twits, it blows up wrong. I don't know why right now, but I got to fix something. But anyways, look what I said here. Now this was based on this December the 6th. Okay. Now, this is yesterday, people. This is December the 7th making this video. But look at this. Look what I said here. SPY is set up to test 227 to 230 next. I'll be focusing on my stock setup plans. I mean, so much stuff's working. I mean, I could have traded the SPY and made a fortune, right? But it worked so perfectly well. Just listen to me. Do yourself a favor. Read this plan. Take your time. I'm bringing it to your attention. Read what I'm saying. You want to know something? I got to talk about, this February 11th, plan. People, I'm going to make a video, but I'm telling you, man, nobody's doing what I'm doing. You struck gold. My confidence levels are soaring. Soaring. All right. Let me just pause this here. So here I am, Power Trick or Trade, stock twits using the Google browser. This is the best browser. I really like the Google browser, but I have so many browsers I look at. So, anyways, people, as you can see, Twitter I could be found on Twitter as well, people. If you don't like stock twits, Twitter is very good. Yeah, you want to check out, something, people. Even though I'm talking about Netflix, you want to become a follower on Power Target Trades here on YouTube, because I make the videos and you can see them here, and a lot of other stocks you may not be following, but the videos will be here, and I'll be making special videos. I'm going to motivate you on 2 levels, right? Because you can have money, but if you don't have your health, you have nothing. You know what? Most people only master one. I'm mastering 2 things. My focus is on 2 things in life, and I'm motivating you guys on the right ways to make money. You want to listen to someone who can call the real market direction. Even billionaires get it wrong, okay? So what I'm doing is bigger than billionaires. That's how I feel about what I'm doing. I see billionaires making big fucking mistakes. You know why a billionaire can make a lot of mistakes? Because they have a lot of money to lose. Well, most people can't lose the money billionaires can lose. They just happen to be fortunate enough to be in that situation. Okay? But when you don't have when you don't have tons of money to lose, which is the majority of people out there, you need someone who can give you strong, powerful plans. That's power trade, people. That's what my system is. The billionaire money taker. All right. That's how I feel. I'm going to say what I feel, right? That's who I am. I feel like I have something powerful to offer the world. But people are asleep at the wheel, right? Check out my Apple plan. Check out the Disney plan that I posted before. This GM plan. Listen to this video, people. Check it out, right? Now, HD, everything triggered. Look at the little amount of plans I made. Okay, here's the S plan. Triggered, made money. If you made money. How much money you make is another story right now, but right now it's making money. Apple making money. This stock really hasn't really done anything yet, but it can still do something. You name it, people. Tesla never confirmed, right? Apple. I've been pushing this Apple trade for a while. Just GM HD trade for a while. By the way, this GM trade theoretically has made people over 200% gains in a couple of weeks, just simply trading GM. Listen to the videos, listen to the power, do yourself the favor. It's right in front of you. Powerful advice for free. It's ridiculous out there. If people understood the power of what I'm doing, man, my stream should be taken off. The underfollowed power trick or trade. People just are sleeping at the wheel. So let them sleep at the wheel. Let the smart figure it out, right? Power trick or trade. Let's take a look at the Netflix again. All right, so people, subscribe to my channel, Power Target Trades. You're going to see, by the way, you're going to see like, give me a second here. You're going to see like a circular object with my Sandro Power trick or trade over around here. Okay, so you can hit that right in the video. You're going to see it towards the end. You're going to see it, and then you're going to see a video suggestion over here, right? Click on that, and you'll automatically subscribe. If you have an issue to subscribe to this thing, simply do it manually. Just visit Power Target Trades and hit the subscribe button. Okay, do yourself a favor. You struck gold. If you're coming from YouTube, you've never seen it. There's a lot of ways to follow me. Follow me on Power Trick or Trade Twitter. Power Trick or Trade on StockTwits, but here there's going to be videos that I won't be posting on Power Trick or Trade. So if you want the maximum motivation of positive change in your life, that's what I'm working on. And I have an amazing story of a new Power Trick or Trade, people. And I just know big things are coming for Power Trick or Trade. This means something. This name I created, this system I created means something to me. So I take that's Visionary Line System. Give me 1 second here. Yeah. Anyways, people. Again, make sure you learn to take. Don't take the trades, but follow the options. I laid it out. We see what the option prices are, right? I've laid these plans out solidly, people. You study my stream and see the proof. That's all I can tell you. I'm not a service. I'm sheer demonstrating something that if you listen to my plans and you learn to take action, you study, you will want to listen and take my trades. You'll learn to take the trades, right? Based on my plans, of course, right? When I say something, it's going to mean something. And then you can take whatever you know about technical analysis and apply it, right? So follow Power Trick or Trade, Sandro on StockTwits. Subscribe to Power Target Trades. You're going to see the information. Subscribe, people. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and I'll be sure to answer reasonable questions on YouTube. Thanks for listening, people. Like the video.